Mr. Circle, you're so round and round and round. You can roll on the ground, you can roll on the ground. Mr. Square, good morning, how are you? Take care of your four sides and your four corners too. Mr. Triangle, you look like pyramid. Will you sing with me as Mr. Square do? Mr. Star, are you looking at the sky? Your friends will come out in the night so very high. Mr. Rectangle, will you join us too? We are singing a song for shapes just like you. Mr. Oval, good morning, how do you do? Look, your friends are all here. Do you want to join us too?